What is going on, everyone? Oops, guys. But today we got some BCA pack openings. I was just eating supper and they were like, oh yeah, there's BCA packs. So I'm gonna be opening up a little bit. Let's see here. So I got about. I actually don't. Okay, we got the BCA packs. Okay. So let's see the first one. We're also going to be opening up 2 trick-or-treat packs. So I think you can actually get trick-or-treat players in these BCA packs, but I'm not sure. Let's see, the first one we're going to go backwards, see how it works. Contract. Charles Brown. Ooh, Muhammad Wilkerson, let's go. Let's flip him over. I have one of them already. 94 tackle, 92 pursuit, 93 block strip, 92 strength. And Richard Marshall, yeah. Ooh, 91 speed. I'll put that in my giveaway. Jarvis Jones. Okay. And then we get Patrick Chung. Okay. So he'll go in the giveaway too that you guys. Oops, no, I can't send these. Actually, I can't. Okay. No, it's not. So yeah, I mean, I'm loving this first pack. I want CJ2K. It'd also be kind of nice if we got someone else. Oh yeah, and there's no pack limits on this one, so that's pretty cool. Close. I hope we get a legend or something. Mark Tressman playbook, okay. Anti-Teo. See this guy. Contract. I like those Panthers jerseys. David Carter, iPod King Carter, David Carter. And we get a Matthew Stafford, okay. He'll probably, yeah, ooh, 96 throw power, okay. He's definitely going in my giveaway. Let's send these to reserves. You guys want Mantateo again? What should sell for? Oh, he sells for $250. I guess you guys don't really want him. Unless you want to sell him for coins or something. Let's open up another BCA real quick. So I'm really liking our team, or I'm really liking these packs so far. I think I'll have enough for 3 more, hopefully. If everything goes right, I'll probably be short by a couple of cents, which would really suck. But right here, right away, Major Wright as a gold player. I think he has a good speed. He was the... So yeah, 83 speed. They should really show the catch on these cards. Let's go from the back. So there's our 2 gold players, contract. Oh, Corey, he's okay. He's okay. I'll probably sell him for some coins. And yeah, Shawnee Wright, excuse me. It's okay. Send those to, excuse me, to the reserves. I can probably get 3 or 4K out of the. Excuse me, Corey Wooden. But yeah, so not really a bad pack. So we probably got 2 more left. Let's see. Oh, we just got it. That's awesome. So we'll close this. Another BCA pack. No limits, which is awesome. Let's see what we get here. Ooh, right away, and Greg Olson. Okay. I like him. I mean, I did get, whatever his name is, Jared Cook, but this guy's actually pretty decent. I might have to keep him because he is my chemistry as well. Like McElroy, Evan Dietrich Smith. Contract, D. Miller, okay. Ooh, he's going to my giveaway. If not, I'm using him. John Lon Dunbar, okay. Got another uniform, or same uniform. And William Gay. Wonder if he has any relation to, ooh, whoa. I'll move these. to the reserves, and then we'll move Greg Olson, the current roster. Also these guys. So 3 more packs, guys. 1 BCA and 2 2 whatever the card's name is. Oh, 20%. Okay, let's see. So we get a Kendrick Ellis out of the first pack. Let's see his stats. Oh man, I dropped. So 82 power move, 91 strength. It's okay. Ooh, Tyron Brand. Ooh, I'm keeping him. I think he's gonna be my new strong safety because and Jordan Norris Jenkins. Oh, he's pretty good too. Michael Griffin, 85 speed. Let's see what we get. Let's get a CJ2K. Ooh, okay, Randall Cobb. I wanted him. Nice. Let's look at his stats. 92 speed, 92 catch, 89 catch and traffic. Who cares about the route running? I mean, really, no one really does, but keep that. Or, yeah, I'll send these to reserves. Actually, I'm keeping up. Tyron Branch. Current roster. Send him to the current roster. I wish that would have been Demarius Thomas though. If that was Demarius Thomas, I would have been pretty excited. But right here we'll send him to reserve though. I hope I have enough for CJ2K. I might. These trick or treat packs. I'll probably have another pack opening just with a couple of them. Maybe I'll put them before like a video or something. So we do get like 1,000 coins out of this pack. Not really what I wanted, but we're starting to build, you know. I'm getting like 1,000 to 2,000 coins on these, these excuse me, solo challenges. So that's pretty nice right there. Another 500. I mean, I have not gotten a player yet. Like, it's really frustrating. Another coin. Contract. Why am I not surprised, really? So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna see if CJ2K is. There are 5 messages. I opened 5 packs. Maybe something. Oh no, I bought 5 of them. Okay, so till then, guys, I'll see you later. Got some pretty good players in this pack. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. See ya.